For the tummy float position, it connects to the footrests connection holes. Lift both sides of the Canopy's frame to reveal the orange lock indicators above the male buckle, then push it backward to fold the canopy. To lock the canopy in a standing position, press both sides of the frame down until the orange lock indicators disappears, which indicates the frame is locked in place, and the canopy is standing. For back float, disconnect the straps from the handle, or for tummy float, disconnect the straps from the footrest connection hole. Then, press all 2 or 3 buckle points simultaneously and lift the pole upwards to release the male buckles from the female buckles. The button in the center of the buckle will be cancelled in the subsequent new products.